In a world driven by data, businesses rely on powerful tools to streamline their operations. Introducing the Tableau Connector for ServiceNow by acSoft, the seamless solution for elevated reporting. Export data from ServiceNow effortlessly with our intuitive interface with no coding required. Create new data sources or utilize existing reports without platform switching. Need custom reporting? Look no further. Tailor and export ServiceNow data, including custom tables and fields. Simplify reporting with dot walking support, accessing fields from other tables effortlessly. Export large amounts of data worry-free with optimized transfer and processing. Stay up to date with scheduled data exports, automating for accuracy and efficiency. Set permissions and manage data access conveniently with predefined roles. Import ServiceNow data into Tableau seamlessly using the auto-generated OData feed URL. Make your data work for you with the Tableau Connector for ServiceNow. Visit our website or contact us today to try Tableau Connector for ServiceNow.